Okay, sorry guys. I got a phone call and it cut my video off. So, as I was saying, 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 times 2 is 16. So we see that 4 eighths and 8 sixteenths are equal to each other. And the way to explain that is we are cutting each of these pieces in half again. So that's why we multiply it by 2. So that's just a trick to learn it, not necessarily the only way that you need to be thinking about it. The pictures are supposed to help you understand why they are equal. So down here, does it take 2 copies of 1/8 to show the same amount as 1 copy of 1/4? So that would be saying, is 2/8 equal to 1/4? So what you could think is 1 times 2 is 2 and 4 times 2 is 8. So are they equal? Yes. And you can look up here, they have the picture already drawn for us, so it proves. So it says to explain in words and pictures. You can just refer to this picture up here instead of redrawing that picture there. How many 6 does it take to make the same amount as 1/3? So they want it to be in 6ths. So I need to figure out 3 times what is 6, and the answer is 2. So whatever I'm multiplying the bottom by, I'm multiplying the top by. So 1 times 2 is 2. And 1/3 and 2/6 are equal to one another. So if I look up at the top, there's already a picture there to prove that. And then why does it take 10 copies of 1/6, so that's 10/6, to make the same amount as 5 copies of 1/3? So why is that? Explain your answer in words and pictures. So we don't have that picture up here, so let's draw it. So I'm going to make 5/3 first. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to draw the same picture, but make it 6th. So how do I make thirds 6th? If we were in class, you would tell me to half each section again. So I'm going to now shade in 10/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And do those pictures look the same? If I were to imagine there's a dotted line right here and a dotted line right here, yes, they look exactly the same. So why is that? What did I do? All I did was I cut it up into more pieces. So the same amount is shaded in both. I just had to cut 6th into more pieces. Now to check myself, I can say 5 times what is 10, that'd be times 2, and 3 times what is 6, that would be also times 2. So I know 5/3 and 10/6 are equal to one another. All right, guys, so that's the end of this lesson. It was lesson 22. I will share this to Dojo, and I will have lesson 23 in math for today also for you to do this week. Hope you're having a great day.